Hello guys, today Jim gonna show you his emergency power system when you can't bring the car in the garage because you have a lot of stuff in the garage. Jim, could you please come and tell us about your system?
This system provides power to essential loads for several days and costs under $500.
Wow, tell me more.
The secret to the low cost is that your vehicle provides the basic power.
Jim, give me more information.
For sure. So I've taken the battery from the car for demonstration purposes, so it's easier for you to see the connections. So you go from the battery through cables to this inverter. And what's important is that you have very tight connections and heavy enough cable. Otherwise, you will have a voltage drop when you take the power into your house. So typically, battery terminals have a bolt and nut somewhere where you can connect a cable. So this is different than just cable clamps that we saw in the previous video. This is much stronger and delivers more power. So it goes into the inverter, and you should note that there is a 150 amp fuse. You don't want to be unsafe, so you should always have appropriate fuses. Then this inverter provides 1500 watts, and we turn it on, so it's running off the battery, and before we put in any loads. So I've just got a portable drill here to show you. So if I plug this in here, and it can be 2-prong or 3-prong, and now I've got my tools. So I've got that. Now, you may also have appliances like a refrigerator, sump pump, and those will be in the house. So we now have a heavy-duty cable at 120 volts that will take the power into the house. So we just plug that into 3-prong outlet, 12.4, and now this power is going into the basement. And in our third video, you will see how we connect different items and appliances into the supply here. So now we'll show you what happens with the car. So now we have opened the garage door and brought the car up, lifted up the car hood, put the inverter in an appropriate place on top of the engine, and connected the cables to the battery. Now in this house, there's an overhang to keep this out of the rain. If you don't have that, you have to make sure this doesn't get all wet. And it's plugged in now to the house, and the next video will show what happens inside the house.